Boys and gals, we are on the way to Caffeine and Octane Linear Raceway for the final weekend of downforce battles before the track closes. Those of y'all who don't know, Linear Raceway got sold, and essentially this is the last round of events that they're doing before the new ownership. And the new ownership has not made it clear whether or not that they will be keeping the track. It's more of a trust me bro at this point, so we'll just kind of have to see how things go. But either way, we're going to take advantage of the final weekend, get out on the track and do some runs in the glizzy, and that's why we got the back seats out right now, because we're just trying to make the most of the weekend, you know. It seems to be that y'all really like the racing content, so I'm trying to give you all that as much as I possibly can, and that's what we're doing today. We just had a patch of rain, but it does look like it's clearing up pretty nicely, so I'm hoping that it's going to be a good day of racing. Either way, I'll catch you guys in a couple minutes when we get to the track, so peace out. All right, boys, we're about to get our first run in the glizz on the new setup at Autocross, which is kind of crazy, but I got my GoPro on my head here. I do have my 360 cam, but I'm not running it for this one because it is just kind of like my first run. Pretty much do a practice run this first time just because I haven't been on the track to do the parade lap or anything, so we're just gonna take it really easy and kind of see how things go. Oh my gosh. Well, that was something. I don't know how to describe that, but it was something, all right. Round 2, I got the 360 cam on, and we're gonna see how this one goes. I'm not gonna try using launch control because honestly, it just spins way too much. That one was good. The car handled well. It just spun like fucking crazy, bro. So we dropped the tire pressure to 28 PSI roughly, and hopefully that'll hook a lot better because it was around like 35 to 37 on pretty much all four. So I don't think I'm gonna try launch control again for right now, but it should be able to hook a lot better. I will say right now, compared to how the car was last time I came out here, it's so much better. Like at least in terms of handling. He comes wide in right there, and
yeah, because you try to go wide or narrow, you're gonna understeer.
Oh, that's what I was doing.
So you want to stay close to the wall and then kind of dip in.
Like swoop in.
Yeah.
And kind of same thing on that side. Like stay near the wall and then dive in, or.
So when you go off the start, stay kind of to the left because there's that chicane.
Yeah, and then you cut over and.
Yeah, and if I don't know what line is better, if you stay towards the cones or towards the wall, just whatever feels faster, I guess. And then.
But this one here, after you come through, like right where this Corvette goes, then where would you go on this wall? Would you stay to the wall and then swoop in, or?
Yeah, I'd come around here and then hug this right wall. Mm-hmm. That way it sets me up to be wide to dip in to go on the inside on this next one.
Okay.
do your line normally. Just do what you got to do. Don't try to overthink it. And at the end, I'll see if I notice anything.
Okay. I think I've got a better idea right now. That felt a lot better with your advice right there about just kind of hugging the like outer walls and going in.
Yeah, you want to set yourself up for the next turn.
Yeah. No, that was a lot better than the last one. Also, I think dipping the tire pressure helped quite a lot. Oh, I thought Caleb was over here somewhere.
No, he's right there. Destroyed them. Good shit.
That was good.
Yeah.
That felt really solid. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh, dude.
The boys are over there. That was good.
Thank you. Yeah, that time I felt like I got the line pretty well, except for that first turn. The first one could have been a little bit better, but the rest of them, I think, were okay.
It was crazy.
Thank you.
Your launch wasn't good, but just in the...
That's straight?
Just in the straight, you caught back up to him.
That straight is really where this car does best.
Yeah.
How are we doing? How we doing?
Doing good.
How was your runs?
Yes.
Good.
Fun. I got cooked by the fucking go-kart.
Oh, the little like thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The contraption.
Yeah. That's to be expected. Yeah. All right, boys, we're trying to race Caleb right now. Ask if you can run me, because the guy behind me said ask Tony or something if we can run each other. Apparently that's allowed, but I don't know how well it would work. We'll see. If I don't know who Tony is either, but apparently we can try. I don't know. What?
The interior is better than yours.
Yeah, I know. It's okay. We have to kick his ass, guys. We have to. We have to kick his fucking ass. He can't hear me right now, but I'm literally talking so much shit. Just look at that guy. He's gonna get his fucking ass eaten. Oh boy, this is literally the run that decides everything right now. I will sell this car tomorrow. Just kidding, I can't do that. But we're gonna have to figure something out, okay? He's gonna cook me off the line, I know it. So we gotta catch him on the straight in the front and like the first big straight. I fell out of boost and I couldn't catch back up. I didn't spool up fast enough. I am never gonna hear the end of this. It's okay though, it's still a lot of fun. All right, so we're racing Tyler this time in his RSX. The only chance we have if we catch him in the straight and off the line, but I can't keep up with him in the turns, so we're gonna see how this goes. That's his car right there. It's pretty fast. We're gonna see what happens. This car is like super built for like time attack and stuff, so it's very quick around turns, and in the mountains I cannot keep up with him, so I have to get him in the straight pretty much. There's a pothole right there. That was a very close run. He did edge me out. I think his line was a little bit better than mine. Tyler definitely is a better driver than me, I will say. So I'm pretty happy with that outcome, even though I'm not really winning much. But, you know, we're just here to try and get better and honestly learn the car on the new suspension, the turbo that we installed earlier this year, but I really haven't had a lot of time to drive it, so I'm still not like super used to it in like a performance setting, quote unquote, you know. But either way, I feel like we're definitely improving as a driver being here and just kind of learning the car. But that was two really fun runs with my friends, so I'm happy with that. Caleb's in the car with me now, so we're taking him for a ride so he can see what a front wheel drive shitbox is like. Uh-oh, bro. That's not good. I hope they're okay. Fuck.
I heard the pow.
Damn, bro. That's bad. It looks like he's okay, though, but they're coming back to start it now, it looks like, so should be good. We're about to get our cheeks clapped by a dual pulley down E40 S5 supercharged, so we'll see. Whoa. Yeah, I'm done. That was sketchy. I was just gliding on the concrete.
Yeah.
All right, we're riding with Caleb now in the A3, and we are gonna be doing probably one more run. So let's get it. We're moving through the pits right now. He got on the shiesty.
Shiesty.
Shiesty. You.
It's the Carrera.
Oh, you're lined up with the Carrera.
My helmet on.
You might be cooked. I don't know though.
Oh god.
Depends who gets a better launch.
We might be cooked.
We might be cooked. That boy is sliding. Yeah, you're cooked.
I'm fucking cooked.
You're cooked. That's a funny looking Volkswagen over there. Chat, drop down below right now who you think's gonna win this, because it's gonna be close. Honestly though, I think if you get him off the line, you'll be good.
We'll see. If I can do my launch control right.
got it, you got it.
And honestly, it wasn't that
Dude,
far off.
that was good as fuck. Dude, that was a 911. You were cooking. And this is a stage 1 tune, brother. Stage 1.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Hell yeah.
Dude, that was great.
That was awesome.
fucking sick, dude. Hell yeah.
That's a good one to finish off on there.
Yeah, that was a fantastic run to finish off on. Oh my gosh, dude, that was great. Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
Your car is so good, dude. Like, wow. I'm not gonna lie, I can't imagine what this thing would be like on coils and with good tires. I think good tires is really
That'll help a lot.
yeah. That's your like biggest reason you were even sliding at all,
Yes.
honestly. Wow, that was great, dude. Hell yeah. That was sweet. Okay.
That was really good.
That was good. All right, well, I think as we're gonna end the video.
That'll finish the night off there.
That'll finish it off. So if you guys enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, tell your mom, bring me some lemonade, some cookies, and I'll mail you some in return.
Yep.
Right? Yeah, okay. All right, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Peace.